I'm here at the Amazon headquarters in Bengaluru, right here in the middle of the action. It's 12 a.m. The sale has just gone live. What happens behind the scenes? What do employees do to ensure all goes well? What are the top selling categories? What's the consumer trends really standing out? I find out. It is the busiest time of the year for e-tailers as they gear up to ship out lakhs of products each day. Amazon, which has committed over $5.5 billion to India, has been upping its game with each passing year, the Diwali sale being the most crucial. The A team of Amazon India present at the War Room to really see what the top decode trends really are. Remember, the deals, discounts are at an all-time high, and the traffic is also massive as far as this space is concerned. Manish, what's the initial sense? What's the first initial trend standing out in terms of categories and demand?
So across, I think what we saw during the Prime Early Access, the same trends now are being seen for all members starting just now at midnight. So all the new launches are the ones which are attracting the most attention as we open sales.
And what are you anticipating in terms of demand over the next? It's going to be a well-rounded growth beyond smartphones, beyond large appliances. Really?
Oh yeah, it will be. It will be. That's what we saw during the Prime Early Access also. So it will be well beyond electronics. It will be soft lines. This is also the time of the year when a lot of people do a lot of grocery shopping, friends, relatives visiting. So it will be a well-rounded off-season.
It will be taking on Walmart-backed Flipkart again. While categories like smartphones, electronics are huge, people seem to be lapping up to niche offerings like 3D printers, dining sets, and more.
So they are seeing 7x growth in onion oil, and the cooktop stoves are seeing 6x. And passport wallets, the wallets people carry to keep their passports, that has seen 80x growth, 80. And we can see cat litters doing 6x, treadmills, which you wouldn't expect to spike in a Diwali season, that's doing 11x growth. Getting into Diwali in 2019 alone, we are seeing more than 15,000 millionaires, which means they made 10 lakhs or more in sales and 3,500 crores. But today, as we go through the process, some new guys are coming into. For example, from our clusters like in Jaipur, we are seeing 3 sellers who are not crorepati's have become crorepati's in the last 9 hours. So we expect to see more and more new crorepati's joining the club today and the days to come.
In fact, early trends from Flipkart also suggest that categories like beauty, kidswear, sports are in high demand. The company also claims that customers from Tier 2 markets have almost doubled since the last year. The sales season also sees massive spike in customers and is the busiest time for employees. Some of them don't end up going home for days.
It's been 10 to 12 hours on average, but it's an exciting time, and so every minute's worth it.
What keeps you going at this time? Is it a lot of caffeine? Chai or anything else that you really go to?
For me, it's caffeine. I'm a coffee person, so so yeah, that's what keeps me moving.
When the sale goes live, like it goes live tonight, we'll end up being here by until 3 or 4 in the night, and then again we have to turn up around 8. But it's all worth it as long as we are able to deliver the gifts and the Diwali presents that customers all around our country give to their families.
But all of this comes down to solid business with keen focus on how all of this will translate into numbers. Amazon is betting big on some trends to work on its side.
What seems to be happening is now all our brand and seller partners, they plan their launches around Prime Day and Diwali. So this season, everything from phones to fashion to fast-moving consumer goods, we have various launches happening. And we really need to work very well with our vendors to ensure that they have an awesome launch. So I think it's just the size and scale. It keeps on getting bigger and bigger.
That's it. Lastly, before I let you go, Amit Agarwal has indicated, the top boss, that this year in terms of targets, we are going to supersede, meet the target. So how crucial is the festive season, the sale, so to say, considering so much more really the action happens in the last 3-4 months?
Most of the people sitting here are not focused on how many units to sell or rupees to sell. It's more focused on making sure that the experience is good, the delivery is quick, and the end-to-end experience for the customers is awesome. So I am quite confident with what we put together. We should have most Amazon customers smiling at the end of the season.
At stake for the first leg is over $3.7 billion worth of business. That's a whopping 24,000 crore, almost double than the last year. For the entire festive month, online players are expected to clock $7 billion. Yes, $7 billion this festive season. All of this when the entire debate around a larger consumer slowdown is playing out. From players in the auto segment to FMCG, the voices seem to be getting louder. But e-tailers for now say they have bucked the trend. It's again a big clash between Amazon and Flipkart this festive season. Both of them seem to be betting on smaller cities and towns and several credit options to not only boost demand but also drive up market share. Who will really emerge the winner will be interesting to watch out. Rahul Dayama, ET Now, Bangalore.